Hi guys, today I want to show you how to set up the control room right here, how it can help you. So first of all, what you want to do is come to studio right here, then go to audio connections. So under audio connections, you've got the output and then control room at the end. We all know that you come to output and you select your sound card, right? But then instead of using this output right here, what you should be using is the control room, and you need to make sure that your output is not connected. Then come to the control room, you find that there's nothing here. So what you do is click on add channel, then go to add monitor channel right here. Once you click that, it will come right here. And this is the one that you connect to your sound card or whatever output that you're using. Then again, you can click on add and go to add cue. So this cue, you can call it whatever it is that you want, because you may use it for your reference track to switch between the project that you're mixing and whatever reference track. In my case, I'll use this for my rough mix. You can add quite a number of cues right here. You see that this one is linked to my sound card, but for my rough mix or reference mix, however it is that you want to use it for, don't connect it to anything. Just keep it not connected. So once all this is done, if you followed everything up to here, just move out of here. You see my rough mix right here, and now I need to connect it to that cue that I created, so that when I switch back and forth between the actual mix and the rough, I can hear them. If anything is confusing you, just let me go to the end, but I'm sure you understand it. So I'll come to my rough mix here and make sure I disconnect it from the master. Set it to no bus. When I open these effects here, now go to Cue Sends and just activate my rough mix, which I created. So you can click here to see your control room. Sometimes it may be here, so you just click, come to the control room right here. So you can see now I've got my mix and cue here. And sometimes you might want it to be floating just on the screen. You can go to studio, then go to control room. This is the same control room that I loaded here, but now it's floating right here. So I'm mixing this song right here, and I can switch back and forth between what I'm doing and what it was like before. It's on mix, and then I'll click on cue to switch to my rough mix. Another thing that you can do, let's say I'm mixing here and I want to listen to mono compatibility. Back in the days, I used to add a plugin on my master that will help me switch between stereo and mono to see what it sounds like in mono. But in this case, I can just click here. Just like that, I can switch between stereo and mono.
You don't know me. Tell a boy not to try me. For me clap fully low on belly. Tell a boy we not soft like jelly.
And there's a lot that you can do with the control room right here. So basically, if you have a reference track, you can just drop it in here and send it to that same cue by using this. Instead of being on send, you go to cue. Start using the control room from now and get used to it. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. My name is Che. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.